Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to make a kissing booth for my nuiMos Mickey and Minnie for decoration. What I'm using is a little crate that I got from the Dollar Tree, some jumbo craft sticks, and some what are supposed to be little wooden snowmen, but I'm going to use them as legs for my crate. Then I'm gonna paint them, and then I'm gonna decorate it all up. So first I'm gonna start by painting, and I put a couple different colors of pink on a plate and put them on craft sticks to decide which color pink that I want to go with. And I decided I'm going to go with this bright pink here, and I don't know if you can tell across the camera, but I also put a little bit of this glitter finish over top that I'm going to do. So for now I'm going to get this crate painted. These 4 wood jumbo sticks, I'm not sure if I'm going to use all 4, but I'm going to paint 4 just in case. And I'm going to paint 4 little wooden snowmen to use as feet. I'm going to do all that and then I'll come back to you. Okay, now that I have my pieces painted, I'm going to start putting them together. I'm going to start with the feet. I'm just going to use some hot glue. Just like that. And just make sure it's pushed in nice and firm, flat. The next one. And this one. And there we go. So now we're going to determine which side we want to be the front. I think this is the side. And I'm going to put these in the back, and I'm going to have them start at the second rung in the back here. Let me see, this one. That way it's a little taller, because I want my nuiMos to be able to stand next to this, because after all, it's a decoration for them for Valentines. So I'm going to glue it, well, you can see in there, but like that, right against the back. And I'm going to do one on each end. Actually, I think I'll put the glue here and here, because I know that's where I want it to land. Just by pushing it up against the side and make sure it's nice and straight. Same thing on this side. Nice beaded glue. And I have it like that. So, for example, Mickey stands there, and zoom out a little. You can see the bar is higher because then we're going to add some things across the top, and we want to make it look like, you know, it's as big as Mickey, especially in case we want him to stand behind. So I also had found these that I had gotten at the Dollar Tree at some point, and I was going to use this as my, you know, how much my kisses are. I'm trying to decide if I want to take the clothespin off and glue it directly onto the booth, or just clip it on like that. I think I might want to glue it on. I'm trying to decide. And I'm trying to decide exactly how I want to decorate this. Now I know I want to put a piece of paper down in the bottom just to cover this and to keep anything from falling through. I mean, I'm going to put Hershey Kisses in here, so they really shouldn't fall through, but just to give it a little extra something. I'm going to put either some cardstock or scrapbook paper in the bottom just to hide that and close up the gaps. So let me find that and I will come right back. Got a piece of paper, gonna put it inside. Voila. So for the next step, I am going to use these foam heart stickers that I have, and I wrote kisses on here, one letter per heart, and I'm going to glue them to my back piece. This is what I decided to do, and you can do this however you like. You don't have to do it like this. You could do it completely different. But I'm going to glue it like that, and then I'm going to glue that to the back of here. I'm going to do this part first just because I think that would be easier for me to do. So I'm just going to leave the paper backing on there. I start with the K. Actually, I think I'm just going to do a dot of glue on here. And I'm kind of just going to do an up and down pattern. So I'm going to get these glued on, and then I'll come right back to you. And there we go. So I'm going to lay this down like this. And I'm just going to glue it right here like that. You're all right, Luna. Shh. So, to decorate the front of my booth, I'm going to add a foam heart in the middle. And I found I have these cutesy little Disney stickers. And see the one with Mickey and Minnie kissing? I'm going to put that right in the center of this heart. At least the best I can. that. It's a little puffy sticker, so you can see what that looks like. I've had that for a long time. And then I'm going to glue it to the front here. So let's see where we like it. I think right about there looks good to me. Glue it there like that. And I thought maybe I'd add some gems. Let's see what they look like sitting next to this heart. Let's see. Maybe a little pop of sparkle there helps. Let's see. Let me add one more red. I think that looks good, so we'll go ahead and put those on. And these are adhesive also, so I'm gonna see if they stick to the wood okay. Actually, I think they should. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue just in case. One for the pink. There's what it looks like that. And then I'm still trying to decide about the sign, whether it should go back there, if I should get rid of the clothespin, if it should go up in the front. Let's put some kisses in here and see how we like it. Of course you can get if you can get the pink and red or pink and white or whatever the Valentine kiss color is, that would be great to go in there. So, but I just have these on hand, so I didn't feel the need to buy new ones. So with it like that, let's see. Do I like this? I feel like our little sign could use a little pizzazz too. Our little 25-cent sign. to get an idea, you'd have Mickey standing here, or Minnie. Or any nuiMos that you have or like. So here is the final product with Mickey and Minnie up for decoration with the kisses inside. I think it turned out really cute. It's definitely something fun to do for decoration or with your kids, to put out a little candy and add a little Valentine's fun. Hope you enjoyed crafting along with me today, and hope you'll come back again next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.